I'd like some cooler tones.
Cooler tones?
Cooler tones, I think the blondes, but I always end up very quickly goes warm. I don't know if it's just, if it's
cool,
doable.
This is cool or warm for me?
This is for me warm.
This is green for me.
I agree also, okay. So
What's warm for you and what's green for you?
Brassy, maybe?
Okay, so this is the mid color. It lost its brightness, so it's mid-range.
Okay.
It's not dark, it's not light, it's greenish. You would see some brassiness maybe coming from the bottom.
Yes.
But because it's been overtoned, because you don't like the brassiness, it's starting to look green.
Okay.
So this is how I describe this.
Okay.
So what's missing here? It's missing a bit of having depth and having brightness to the brighter strands that you have.
I think it's probably been about 3 weeks since I have had my roots done.
Okay.
I can already see stuff coming through, so I'd much prefer if there was some way to, so that it wasn't so obvious when it started to grow back.
So this is 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Because the top you don't have much gray, you have only a few here and there.
The front
might have few, but because it grows really slow, I still can't see them.
Oh, okay.
So if this has been 3 weeks, and how often you color your roots?
5. Every
5 weeks, okay.
Yeah.
So by the time it's 5 weeks, you barely have a small dot.
I always see here.
Yes, because the contrast between the tiny dots and the dark next to it makes it pop out.
Absolutely.
But it's tiny one. And because there's not much space, when you try to color it, it overlaps instantly on the previous color.
Okay.
That's why you have a black line now.
Okay.
Over here. So what we need to do, main issue is dot gray at the front.
Yeah.
The feeling of the color that you have it here. You got a oily roots, dry ends, a mixture. Your hair gets oily on the roots and it's quite dry on the ends.
Yeah.
And the lens need a bit of refreshment.
Yeah, I think the other day I noticed a little patch here that doesn't have
hair.
Yeah, that's worrying me. I had to change my parting.
We can shave the things around it.
Okay.
So it doesn't look like a patch anymore till it starts growing back.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do now, because it's a small patch, everything next to it looks like, it makes it more visible.
Yeah.
So if you want, I will go ahead and shave these 3-4 strands as well. So this patch doesn't show anymore.
Okay. And then
Till
maybe
you treat it and it goes away.
Okay.
Because you have gray at the front, you're ending up coloring the whole roots.
Yeah.
So the top, it doesn't need to be colored.
Okay.
You have only a few strands. So usually if you have a different density of gray in different location, you treat them differently.
Okay.
So because they're coloring the front, they're coloring everything else, now everything is dark.
Yeah.
You don't have gray on the top, you don't need to color.
Okay.
So today my job, because you're coming to me, I have to break the darkness that's been built.
Yes.
And then transit you to a low maintenance color in the future.
Yes.
And I need you to stop coloring completely your roots at the top.
Okay.
You come to me, or if you don't live here, you do a few foils every 3-4 months, every 5 months.
Yeah.
Couple of foils on the top just to break the darkness a little bit, and that's it.
Okay.
The front only because you do have a bit more higher percentage of gray. We will need to get rid of all this dark band.
Yeah.
And then shift you to level 7. And then you start touching the roots at the front by yourself at home. You don't need to come to me, you don't need to go to any salon. So you come to me only every 6 months for a couple of foils on the top.
Yeah.
And this is you do it yourself.
Okay.
It takes 2-3 minutes. This will save you money and a lot of maintenance.
Okay.
Now, when it comes to the length, this is the buildup of lots of toning in different shades. I do not like to bleach hair that's already been lightened.
Okay.
So what we can do, because we need to treat it anyway, usually the antifreeze, it does strip out some of those tones.
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do, the few highlights that I'm gonna do on the top, I'll bring them slightly lower, just to bring you a few brighter strands. Like, you see this piece here?
Yes.
Similar to that.
Lovely.
But everything else built here as a color, I will rely on the treatment to strip it out.
Okay.
Then after we finish, we'll reevaluate. Do we need to tone it? Do we keep it? Do you like it or you don't like it?
Okay.
But me changing this means I have to do bleach, and your hair not in a position to bleach it.
Okay.
I would rather cut as much as possible from those dry ends, try to strip out some of the build-up tones through the treatment, get the hair healthy, and bring you a nice transition on the top, so you have low maintenance. and get rid of the band that you have around the face.
Okay, sounds
Then
good.
you walk out of here with healthy hair, low maintenance color, and the color has a bit of brightness, so it doesn't look the way how it feels now.
Yes.
It's not green, it's not brassy, it's just in between.
Okay, sounds great.
Maybe the bottom where it's still dark, maybe I will add a slice of balayage here
Okay,
to boost the brightness. Maybe I'll do that.
okay.
So this way, because those they can handle a little bit of lightening. So
Okay.
that would be an option. All right, let me give you a breakdown of the price, then we start.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It looks so shiny.
No, I wanted to capture the color because if we lose the sun,
Yeah, that's it. It looks amazing.
so all the green color is out.
Yes.
This is a mixture. It's not too warm, it's not too ash, it's just a neutral color.
Yes.
But because we have some brightness being added through the balayage from the back, that's why it feels as well there's a boost of lightness coming through.
Absolutely.
Now, the top, the transition very smooth. Like
Yes.
barely we broke the darkness a little bit and we maintained it.
Yeah.
Because you do have, your natural hair is quite dark. So I don't want to go overload the top with lightness as well. Then we have another line to deal with in the future. Now, if you leave it for 6 months, we add a few baby highlights on the top,
Yeah.
but at that time will be done on your virgin roots. So they're gonna lighten faster, and they're gonna be healthier, and it's gonna be much faster process than what you have done today.
Okay.
The front, where we have the majority of the dark line, it's way softer.
Yeah.
I will give you the tube of color. You touch it up every 6 to 8 weeks. Try to push it as long as
okay.
you can, and that's it for
Okay.
6 months.
Amazing.
All right.
Yeah.
Everything else was just treating the hair to get it in a good condition,
Yeah.
and refreshing the cut. I gave you a little bit of movement with the layers, so that should feel, because the top layers was extremely long. Was extremely all the way down.
Yes.
So I needed to move the layers up for 2 reasons. One of them to remove the most damaged ends, and let's say the brassy green feeling was on the top layer. So when I shifted the layers up, I exposed the beautiful balayage that we have done at the bottom.
Yes.
So there was a reason why I needed as well to bring all the color up. Yeah. But the whole all over, how you feel about the
I
whole?
love it. Thank you so much.
Do you feel it's warm?
No.
It's
I
kind
don't.
of it's
lovely.
good.
Yeah.
Because for me this has a bit of slices of warmth
Yes.
with the slices of beigier colors.
Absolutely,
But
yeah.
they complement each other.
They do. It doesn't feel too warm,
Now,
which I felt before.
What happened? You go to a salon, you tell them, I want to remove the brassiness. Let's say in a few months, you feel like it's a bit warm.
Okay.
But when you add a toner, you kill the brighter ones.
Oh, okay.
Then all of a sudden you're left over with a greenish tone that comes from the brighter one, the good ones. So you killed that one,
Okay.
combined with the brassy one. So there is no way around it to get rid of the brassiness in the future,
Okay.
unless you cut them and you get rid of them. And alternatively, you start doing less and less and less highlight on the top.
Yeah.
So the depth comes from the darker color between the highlight instead of the washed out old color.
Yeah.
Make sense?
It does make sense. Yeah.
All right. Now I need you to قرب على شوي. Shave this a little bit. I mean, it's better, no?
Yeah. Definitely. Instead of the random dot in the middle.
Yeah, that's just keep the eye on it in case
Yes,
it got bigger.
absolutely.
Okay. I need you to stand up for a minute. That's all right. Can you shake the head a little bit? Put your hand through and lift it up.
Me?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ready.
Amazing.
You're welcome. So very low maintenance. Only touch up at the roots at the front every 2 months.
Okay.
And every 6 months, couple of foils on the top.
Okay.
and that's it.
All right. That's amazing.
I'll
Thank
see
you.
you in 6 months. Maybe.
Yes, that would be lovely.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you. So
welcome.
lovely to meet you. Thank you.
Yeah.